Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Uncovered. My name is Antonio, and today we'll give you a walkthrough of the Binance website and how to trade with Binance. If you're new to the channel, our goal is to help people understand the basics about crypto and to get started on the market. The information on this video is not financial advice, it is not paid advertisement, and should be taken for entertainment purposes only. So if you want to get started with your crypto investments, you need access to an exchange or broker to connect you to the market and allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. We have another video explaining just that and exposing you to different exchanges available. Binance is one of the brokers that I use, so I thought I'd help you get started and show you how to use the platform. If you're looking at the screen right now and wondering if this is for you, don't worry. We'll help you get started step by step. At this moment, you can go to the description link, click on the affiliate link for Binance, and it will take you to the home page. This will give you 10% discount on your trading commissions with Binance and will help the channel. Once you're in the Binance homepage, you will click register. After clicking register, you can go to the sign up page. We'll give you the option to sign in with email or to sign up with email or mobile. I recommend using the mobile because for verification purposes, Binance sends a PIN to your phone or email when you want to sign in. And I think the mobile will be the easiest way for you to use this PIN function to keep your account secure and to sign in into the Binance website. Right, so I assume you have signed up and logged in into your page. This is how it's going to look like when you sign in into the web page, not on the app. You're going to have this big yellow Buy Now button. This is the easiest way for you to fund your account, specifically if you don't have any other cryptocurrencies in other exchanges. But if you do have cryptocurrencies in other exchanges, I assume you would know this part already. So if you click on that Buy Now button, it will take you to the Buy Crypto webpage, and then you have to choose your funding currency and the crypto that you want to buy. Here I have selected Euro and USDT Tether, which is a stable coin, very close to the value of the dollar. So basically you're buying a coin that has a value of dollar to convert into other cryptocurrencies at a later stage. Based on your funding currency, you're going to have other methods of payment. Here I have credit and debit card, peer-to-peer trading, or cash balance in euros, and other options. So you can choose your preferred method of deposit, and you can follow through like you do with any other website. It's very simple and straightforward. Then once you have done that, your USDT Tether will be in your wallet. So once you go on top of the web page, you see wallet, fiat and spot. And if you click that, it will take you to your spot, fiat and spot wallet. My balances are all hidden for safety purposes, but I have to scroll down. These are some of the currencies that I have, and there's no financial advice. You don't know when I bought it, and you don't know my intentions with them. So do your own research and learn how to trade to buy your own cryptocurrencies. But your USDT should be there. It's the fourth from the bottom, and then you would have your balance available and showing how much you have if it's not hidden. Once you've done that, so you have now 120 USDT, or you can have other currencies. Now, if you want to trade, because the stable coins, they do not change in value. So if you hold the USDT or BUSD, which is the Binance US dollar, they're stable coins, they would not change. It's basically buying dollars. Now, if you want to go for different cryptocurrencies, you click on Convert, which is the easiest way to trade, as they say here, and it will take you to the Convert webpage. Here, let's say I have Bitcoin, I have 10 Bitcoin. I'm a very happy guy because if I have 10 Bitcoin right now, that's like $500,000, which I don't have, but doesn't hurt to dream. So that's 10 Bitcoin converting into XRPs. So if you want to preview how much you would get, you can click on that button. It will show you more or less the calculation. So 10 Bitcoin right now will give you about 43, 1 Bitcoin will give you 42,309.8 XRP. So 10 Bitcoin will give you a lot of XRP. And then if you have the Bitcoin, as you can see here, I don't have any Bitcoin on the top. It says available 0. and it says insufficient balance, please fund your account. But if you did have money there, and if you did have those Bitcoins, you'll be able to just accept the conversion rate and your Bitcoin will be converted to XRP. Again, you have to go back to your spot wallet and verify that your XRP is there. So basically, the part of the video where I'm trying to show you to buy and convert your cryptocurrencies is over. So now we're going to move on to a different part of the video where I show you some different functions of the Binance website. Alright guys, I just want to show you a couple of functions in the Binance website which will be useful for you. To be honest with you, the Binance website has so many features. I myself don't know all of them, but there's a few of them that you'd like to know. It will be useful for you. First one I'd like to cover is the markets, which is on top of the page. You can see buy crypto, and then you can go to the right. It says markets highlighted in yellow. You click there, it will take you to this page, and then this is the markets page. On top, you can see underlined in yellow is the spots market, and just below that you have BTC markets in yellow. Then you have BNB markets. If you don't trade, this is new to you. Underneath, you can just see the pair I'm highlighting it now. This one is CTSI, which is the coin CTSI, and you'll be paying with BNB, which is the second coin, right? So the first coin highlighted is the one that you want to buy, and the second one is the one you will be paying with. In this case, you'll be paying 0.001242 BNBs for one CTSI. And if they always have the price equivalent in dollars, which is about 65 cents. Then if you move to BTC markets, it's the same. The coins available for you to buy with BTC, and then you have the coins available to buy with the alternate coins, Ethereum, Tron, and XRP. And then you have the fiat market, which is the cash market. I always like to look at the fiat market before I buy coins, particularly if I'm buying with another cryptocurrency, so I have an idea how much I paid in dollars. If you click on USDT, then you have an idea, or BUSD, how much you're paying for those coins. Just bear in mind that not all the coins are available in all the crosses. So BNB will have some coins that are not available to buy with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will have some coins that are not available to buy with BNB. And the same is valid for the stable coins. Some things are available to buy with BUSD, and some things are available to buy with USDT. So you have to check which coin you want to buy and find out which cross that is available on the Binance website, so you'll be able to buy your coins accordingly. Let's check just TRB, for instance, which is $97 right now. And then if you go on the BTC market, the same one is available, and you'll be paying 0.001736 BTC for a TRB. And if you click on TRB, just for you to go back to the trading part, we covered this in the beginning of the video. I just want to run through very quickly so I show you that it's not that scary. On the top left, I'm highlighting right now, it just shows you what are you looking at. This is for TRB/BTC, so you're buying Teller Tributes, which is just underneath that, and you're buying that with your Bitcoins. And Teller Tributes is $97 right now. And if you go to the middle of the page, you can see my mouse going through the chart. This is a candlestick chart. It basically looks like candlestick, that's why it's called like that. It shows you the price movements, and you can see this one that I'm highlighting right now. It just looks like a candle. So it has a body and a wick. The wick is the price movements up and down, and the body is where it opened and it closed. So if it's green, it opened low and closed high, and if it's red, it's because it opened high and closed low, so it's on the way down. And then on the right side, you have exactly like the markets. I'm highlighting just on the top right BNB now. So all the BNB coins are available to buy, BTC, alts, and fiat. Then you can choose USDT. You can see some of them highlighted here is the ones that I have on my favorites list. If you click on the stars, you can just put those coins in your favorite list and you can monitor them. So I can have a few of them there. Again, don't look at these coins and go buying. You don't know how I bought them and what price and what do I what price do I want to sell them at. But then if you go down in the bottom part, make sure you click on spot. Spot is what you're buying without leverage. With cryptocurrencies, I do not recommend leverage. The prices move up and down dramatically and you'll be stopped out of your position if you have leverage. So just be careful. Try to invest conservatively. The movements are very high, percentage-wise, so you'll be making money even if you don't use leverage, or you'll be losing money depending where you buy, so just be very careful with that. So you'll be clicking on spot, and you have limits underlined in yellow, and then you'll be buying TRB on a limit order. Limit order basically means you put the price that you want to pay. So you can see highlighted in yellow, I want to pay 0.0018 Bitcoins, and I want to buy 500 TRBs, and that is highlighted in red now, and it will cost me 0.090 Bitcoins. So that's the price limit order. But just be careful with the limit order. If you really want to buy a coin, you put a limit order, it might not hit the price, and then if it doesn't hit the price, the coin will go up, and you have not purchased that coin. But then you have the market order, which is just right next to the limit order, highlighted now in white and now underlined. Market order basically means you're going to buy at the market price, no matter what it is, and you just stipulate how much you want to spend. So let's say I want to buy 1 BTC, which I don't have, and then you click buy and you'll be getting TRBs. Alternatively, you have on the other side, just sell TRBs. So if you have TRBs and you want to sell, it's exactly the same. You choose limit and you choose the price you want to sell, and then you can choose market and sell it at a market price. Just say how many TRBs you want to sell, right? So equivalently, so if you want to sell your TRBs at a certain price, then that's what you do. Then moving along, there's one more feature I want to show you, so I don't want to make the video too long. You go to finance on the home page, and you go to Binance Earn, and you will take you to the Binance Earn page, which looks like this. On top, you have the flexible terms, which means if you put your coin on any of these savings facilities, you'll be able to remove them at any time. And then you have the fixed terms, which is the staking part of it. I have highlighted in yellow, and these ones you keep for a duration of time. So 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Now this, if you looked at the value of the interest went down, is because Binance is doing a promotion. So if you buy Filecoin right now, they'll be paying you 39.79% for 15 days. And this is a percentage per year. So for these 15 days, you get roughly 1.5%. And if you do it for 30 days, you get 21.49% a year. And then you have to divide that for 12 and you find out exactly how much you'll be earning. And I'll highlight the exactly part because I just said exactly and is actually estimated. You can see just at the bottom here, it says estimated APY because it depends on the staking rewards in the network. And I'm going to have another video about staking in particular to explain everything related to staking. So this will bring the video to a close. If you like the video, please go ahead, subscribe. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope the video didn't drag for too long. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, give us a thumbs up, and I see you on the next video.